Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Julia. No lipstick today because today I have a delicious burger recipe for you. Large burger, red lipstick, doesn't really go well together. But today I have a delicious pizza burger for you guys. I've done one version a long time ago here on the channel. But I really want to do it even better and then make my own homemade pizza dressing inside. It is so delicious. It is going to be brioche buns with pizza filling or pizza topping, then a cheeseburger patty inside, and then my homemade dressing. Yum, let's get started. First up, I'm just going to make my homemade dressing or sauce. On a plate I already have some ketchup, mayonnaise and sour cream, and on with some oregano, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, I'm also going to add in some sweet mustard. That is my homemade pizza dressing. It is also delicious in sandwiches. My oven is at 180 degrees C convection oven or at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit convection. On a baking sheet with some parchment paper, I have some brioche buns, and I'm just going to top them all with some store-bought pizza sauce. Just to make this recipe very easy, but you can of course also make your own. Then add on some mozzarella cheese. And 3 slices of pepperoni. These are ready to be baked for 7 minutes in the oven. While they are baking, we can make the patties. On a pan, I'm going to add on some oil and then fry 3 patties. I'm just going to add on some salt and pepper. When they are done on one side, flip them around and then add on some pieces of cheddar cheese. They're done and the buns are looking awesome. I'm now ready to assemble my burgers. I've also prepared some lettuce and some red onion, and you build your burger however you want to build it. Enjoy! Yum, guys. You have to try it out. All ingredients are down below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos. I hope to see you all again soon. Bye!